Hi, I'm Lee Teschler with Machine Design Magazine. We're here with Gil Orozco from Jameco Electronics. Gil's going to tell us a little bit about trends in electronic distribution. So Gil, what are some of the pressures that electronic distributors are seeing these days in terms of lead times and other competitive pressures?
Well, currently lead times, since the beginning of the year, we've had lead times increase anywhere from 8 to 10 weeks upwards to 20 plus weeks. And this came across the board from domestic and international suppliers. We have the luxury of buying direct from manufacturers in China, and that luxury is even tougher if you're storing or ordering from Asia. So we were forced to increase our lead times internally in our system, like I said, anywhere from 8 to 10 weeks. So the pressures of stocking inventory here at Jameco has gotten greater. We pride ourselves on 99% availability of all the products in our catalog, as you can see here in our warehouse, and stocking 99% availability from Asia has become tougher and tougher.
Okay. How are electronic distributors trying to distinguish themselves in terms of competitively?
Yeah, well, we at Jameco distinguish ourselves by offering true choice to our customers. We offer all the major brands, but we also offer what we call our own private label. It's a Jameco Value Pro, and we offer a generic equivalent to the top brands like a Tyco, a Molex, an Amp, and we stock about 4,000 generic equivalents, and we price them anywhere from 10 to 15% below the top brands. In addition to that, we also offer what we call excess inventory, excess runs, if you will, custom-made products, and if it's something that our customers, that we feel our customers will purchase and use, we stock that as well, and sometimes that's an even larger discount, anywhere from 30% below a brand equivalent.
Are there any particular product areas that are running particularly hot these days?
In terms of sales, or in terms of
In terms of demand you're seeing?
You'll like this. Energy efficiency is hot for us. We've done a lot with CE equivalent power supplies.
Are there any particular geographical areas that seem to be running pretty hot these days?
In terms of customer base that's doing demand?
Yeah.
Well, we're big on the East Coast, and we're a West Coast distributor, but we also offer will call to the Silicon Valley, so we're seeing an increase there, but the East Coast is truly our bread and butter.
Is there any particular advice that you'd offer to engineers that are working with distributors?
I would advise you to shop around. I think the fact that we offer the lowest prices against our competitors, and we pride ourselves on pricing against competition and having the lowest prices in the industry. Shop around, use the search engines, give us a try. We pride ourselves on quality, but most importantly, I think it's having availability and having the lowest prices available. At Jameco, we offer over 300 different brands. We have over 150 different franchise manufacturers on our line card. Currently in our warehouse, we have about 20,000 products. On our website, we offer over 50,000 products, which we order to back order, or we use satellite warehouses. For the most part, everything in our catalog is in stock, and we maintain 99% availability.
Gil, have you run into any problems with counterfeit parts?
We haven't. We've had a few rejections where it was questionable enough that we decided to return it to our supplier. As I mentioned earlier, we buy about 50% of all our products from Asia, but they have their own quality controls. We have our internal QC process here at Jameco, and we've had very little issues with that. Very little, if no customer returns where the customer claims it was counterfeit. ICs seems to be most of the problems. We have the majority of our suppliers are domestic and have been with us for 15, 20 years, so we have a good supply chain in place. But I've read and have talked to counterparts throughout the industry where it's rampant in the broker industry. It's pretty bad. If there's one area, I believe it would be the obsolete products, where it's difficult to determine whether it's true, legitimate TI or not, for example. But again, we've not run into that, but I know that it's out there, and we do our best to check the parts once they arrive at our dock, and have rejected one or two shipments because we could not clearly identify it. We did our homework and talked to the manufacturer, and they said they couldn't confirm, so we returned it.